Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to adjust the font and the text size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. And from here, you will find the option of text size. Just tap on it. And from here, you will be able to increase or decrease the font and the text size on your iPhone by sliding the slider to the right or the left side. Now, if we drag the slider to the right side, as you can see in the preview, we have increased the size of the text or the font on our iPhone. Just like that. But if we slide the slider all the way to the left side, we will decrease the size of the font on our iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can adjust the font and the text size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.